Welcome to Dependable Flame, where we explore vintage petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacciana, and other useful mechanisms. Make yourself at home. I got a lighter here that I've been trying to... I re-wicked this thing a couple of months ago for a fellow named Webb Armstrong who contacted me on the Facebook page. So I'm going to see about taking this thing apart. It's got a very long flint tube in it and it is clogged. So I'm going to see about taking this mechanism apart and perhaps we can get it sparking again. Can I disengage? Maybe not. Maybe I don't need to. I don't know. That'll be fine just like that. Okay, now what do we have here? Everything is on that side on the back. Looks like one screw. Okay. Huh. That flint tube looks clear. It is. So what was the problem? Well, it appears that we should have a problem. Okay, so we get in there, flint tube's clear. So I suppose now we'll try to put it back together. Let's take a look, make sure that our clutch is engaging. And the clutch appears to be engaging. That's just a sleeve, doesn't make any difference either direction. Alright, let me brush this wheel off. And I'm gonna blow this lighter out real quick. Okay, let's see if we can get this back together. Remember this bar contraption right here underneath this spring mechanism on the thumb lever. That's going to be the key in a moment to get it sparking again. So the mechanism wasn't acting right. I got the flint back in it, and it still wouldn't spark. And then I got a little bit sloppy with the camera here, and as I was trying to push this small bar that was underneath the thumb lever, I got the whole thing off camera, so you don't really see it here. You can see the little metal rod I was using to push that bar underneath the thumb lever into place, and then everything began to spark correctly. After getting the flint tube or the flint grooved, it took a minute there. You kidding me? There you go. Man, I can't tell you how many times I almost gave up on that one. Okay, so this was Webb Armstrong's lighter that he mailed to me a few months ago, right after I moved in here, and I got it wicked real quick, but then I couldn't get the spark. Couldn't get it to spark, so I took it apart. The flint tube was clear, or at least appeared to be. I believe the problem was with the tension back here. There was a bar that basically needed to fit into the little slot in there, and until it did, it wasn't getting the proper leverage to be able to get pressure on the flint. Trim that wick up a little. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut. See if we can get that flame a little lower. Without losing our wick in there. If you like old Petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacconiana, and other useful mechanisms, then please subscribe to the channel. Please like the video that you're watching. Tell your friends about the channel. Send that off in a text message, email, post it on social media, however it is that you communicate with folks nowadays, and let them get a look at it for themselves. Leave any comments or questions below. We would also appreciate it if you would follow and like us across all the social media platforms: Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and of course eBay. Until next time.